welcome back. So now it's time we are going to begin our EVS class today. Now in EVS what we are going to do? We are going to revise about shapes. So class, just have a look around and see. You have so many things kept in your surroundings. It can be a table, your mobile, your laptop, maybe your television, maybe your tiffin box, your water bottle, your book, your colors, anything, your pencil. Each and everything has a shape, isn't it? If we see erasers, they come in different shapes. We have white erasers that are rectangular in shape. Then nowadays some triangle erasers are also coming. We have circle erasers, smiley erasers, isn't it? So many things. Only for eraser I am talking. If you see chocolate bars, they are long, they are rectangle, sometimes they are square, sometimes they are circle like balls, isn't it? Your books again rectangle in shape. आपके colors जो हैं, if you will see, गोल हैं, isn't it? They are circle. Can you see a circle here? Isn't it a circle shape? Similarly, your pencil, it's an example of circle shape. यहाँ उसमें circle दिखाई देता है. Then your eyeballs, if you will see, आपकी eyes के अंदर जो black balls हैं, they are also circle in shape, isn't it? Bindi, circle in shape. We have chapati, sun. So many things that are circle in shape. We have done it earlier also. So can anyone tell me what is circle shape? A shape that don't have any side. Yes, it don't have any side. It begins from a point, move and finishes at the same point. So that is circle shape. A shape that don't have any side. Bangle is circle in shape, isn't it? Then what else you can say? Smileys, your beautiful smiles, isn't it? They are circle in shape. So class, when the fan moves, आप ऊपर देखिए fan चल रहा है. When you will see, the moving fan is also making a circle shape. Don't you say? ऊपर पंखा चलता है, नीचे बेबी सोता है. तो जब हम पंखा चलाते हैं, it moves like the circle. The earth on which we live, circle in shape, isn't it? Now, next, what shape is this? Triangle. Yes, a shape that is having 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides. And the sides are joining with each other. 3 sides हैं और वो 3 sides एक दूसरे से join कर रही है like this. That is a triangle shape. Now there are many things that are triangle in shape. First, samosas. You like eating them? It's triangle in shape. Sandwich is triangle in shape. The one which we make using bread, isn't it? That sandwich is also triangle in shape. We have flags. The one you can see on the top of temple. मंदिर के ऊपर जो झंडा लगा होता है, that flag is also triangle in shape. Then hangers. You must have seen when mama washes clothes and she put them in the sun. Yeah, after ironing she keeps them in the cupboard. She hangs them. एक hanger में hang करती है. That hanger is also something like this. इस तरह का एक hanger होता है, isn't it? Which is in which mama puts the clothes and she hangs in the cupboard. Again, see, this hanger is triangle in shape, isn't it? So we have so many things that are triangle in shape. What is a triangle shape? A shape that has 3 sides, जिसकी 3 sides होती है, and all these sides are joined with each other. वो एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई होती है. Clear? So that is called have, can anyone tell me? In square we have photo frames, we have handkerchiefs, आपके जो hankies होते हैं, the one you use to wipe your face, your hands. What is that? Again, that is square in shape. Handkerchief is always square. Then if you take a passport size photograph, the smaller one, that is also square in shape, isn't it? Carrom board, chess game, all these games they are square shape. ये square में होते हैं, इनकी जो main shape होती है. Now this is a square, ये देखिए. We'll make it a carrom board here, जिसमें ये coins के लिए bells बनी होती है, and like this they are joined with some lines where you keep a tiger, और यहाँ पे सब में coins हो, isn't it? So your carrom board is square in shape. Chess game is also square in shape. Clear? So like this, we are going to learn some more things that are in these shapes. So let's begin and see them once. And after that, I have a very small and interesting activity for you related with shapes. Let's begin then. So class, let's begin and understand about the shapes and object related to them. So the first shape we have is circle shape. See, we have so many objects with circle shape. We have a tire, button. Wow, what's this? It's a yarn of the wool. Oon ka gola, isn't it? Again, that is circle in shape. Can you see this ring? Ring का जो ये circle shape दिख रहा है? Then we have wreath. So we use this to decorate on Christmas. We hang it on the doors. The wreath is also square, a circle in shape. Then we have one more hanging, one more decoration part which we use to decorate Christmas tree. So these are fancy balls or lights, circle in shape. We have tomatoes, circle in shape, isn't it? Then plate is also circle in shape. What is this? It's the disc. आप उड़न तश्तरी से खेलते हो, डिस्क होती है जिसको हम फ्लाई करते हैं from one end to another. It's circle in shape. We have candies, circle in shape. Earth planet है, उसके अलावा और different planets हैं. They are circle in shape, isn't it? What is this? This is again a rugby ball, circle in shape. So these are objects that are circle in shape. Now, can you find out some circular objects? Sun, planet, lemon slice. Slice of lemon is also circle. Balloon is also circle. We have smileys in circle shape, isn't it? This ring is also circle in shape. So all these are circle shape objects. Now next we have is a triangle shape. What is a triangle shape? So now it's triangle shape. Which are the objects that are triangle in shape? Slice of watermelon, then mountain, birthday cap, tent. Then this is a stack game for toddlers. This is the signboard. And what are these? Cones. You will find these cones on road where some construction or repair work is going on. Clear? Again, these are balls kept in a triangle. We use this for billiards game. Then we have ice cream cones. Umbrella is triangle in shape. Slice of pizza. As I told you, hanger is triangle in shape. Then we have the sailboats. के जो sail होते हैं, they are triangle, isn't it? Christmas tree is triangle in shape. Again, we have one more ice cream cone that is triangle in shape. And do you know what is this? It is a musical instrument, and you will find it triangle in shape, but it is not joined from one side. Clear? So these are different objects of triangle shape. Now comes the next shape, that is square shape. The shape that has four sides joining to each other. So we have clock, handbag, calculator, window, biscuits, chessboard, gift, puzzles, mat, television, pillow, notepad, all these are square in shape. Clear? Then again I told you games like carom board, chess, then your bread slice is again square in shape. Somewhere we have blackboards square in shape. Clock and window we have seen they are square in shape, isn't it? Wall clocks I'm talking about. Sometimes even the wristwatch जो हम हाथ में पहनते हैं उनका डायल भी स्क्वायर होता है. So now class, a very interesting activity here we have. What you have to do, you have to count and write the numbers of shapes given. You can draw any picture. If you want draw this picture, you have to count circle, triangle and square. How many circles are there, triangles are there and square are there, and write the numbers here. Hope you have enjoyed and you will also going to enjoy this activity. Do your work and share with me. Bye all. Take care.